enjoying your bath? Huh? You're making a hell of a mess. Here I am trying to clean up and do food bins. Right over here, I got the splash-o-matic going on. Bye! How much is he splashing? Look at my pants. Look at the cardboard too. Look at the floor. Spike! You having fun? So we're on our second recess. So far I've gotten Aussie and Daisy's cage taken care of. And Scooby's cage taken care of. I'm in the middle of Mango and Penny's. And Spike and Sunny's. Spikey's doing this, which is causing me to stop right now because I can't have him splashing water into the food bins. Hello, little buddy. So there's Spikey-bird. Here's Mango. Hi, bud. Hi. You want some stitches? Not so sure. Is he making a mess? Huh? Spikey making a mess? There's Scooby-Doo. Scooby! Hi, Ruby. Hi. Do you want to get down? Where do you want to go? You want to go down there? You could have done that all by yourself. Sonny, you are not getting in Scooby's cage. Not happening. Why don't you go get a bath with Spikey-bird? No? Well, alright. Go up there then. Go on. Thank you. So we got Sonny out. What do you want? Now you do want to go over there. Go ahead. Penny's hanging out somewhere around here. Here you are. Hi, baby. Hello, Penny. Hi. Hello, baby. Hello, Penny. Can you say hi to Penny? You guys live together. Yeah, I know. You want to go on the playstand? No? All right. Penny. Boy, Spike, you are just getting wet. And everything else wet. Sonny, you trying to escape from there? Come on. Go over here then. Find a spot. So, again, we're on our second recess. There's Scooby-Doo playing with the wet microfibers that I'm using to dry the food bins. There's Sonny trying to get to any food she can see. Spikey-bird's going to be drying off soon. Hey, Spike! Hey, buddy. Hi. You want to dry off? You want to dry off? Come on. Hi. You are all wet. Yes, you are. You want to go up there? Go ahead. Mango. Hey, you. Come around. Come around. Come on. What do you want to do? Huh? What do you want to do? You want some scratches? You want to take a bath? You want to go on the bath table? No? All right. You were leaning that way. You want some scratches? More scratches? Sonny, you are not getting into that food. It is just not happening. Sonny! Here. No, let's put you up here. Go on up there. Why don't you go over there too? There. So we got Mango, Sonny, Scooby-Doo, a very wet Spikey-bird who absolutely soaked the floors. Hi. You want to come over here? You want to dry off? Come on. You want some help? No? All right. And Penny's over there. She's moving around, chewing on what she can. As I said, this is our second recess. You want to come? Come here, big boy. Do I have for my shirt? Do I have for my shirt? Here, let me change the... There we go. Is that better? There you go. Oh my goodness. Yeah, you're happy. You're happy. Spikey-bird. Hi. Sonny, are you dancing? There's no music on yet. You gonna go up on the play stand? Why don't we put you up here? There you go. Ooby, Ooby, Ooby. Hey, You two stop that. Scooby, I need to get in there in a minute. Don't get used to that. So this is the end of our second recess video for today. Scooby, Sunny, Mango, very wet Spikey-bird. And there goes Penny. Where you going, Penny? You're not done yet. Where you headed? Huh? Where you going? You're not done yet. You don't need to go in your room. That's where you're headed. You're not getting in there. I closed the door. You're not going in there. I know what you want. She sees a freshly cleaned and filled food bin. She's not dumb. We'll be back in a little bit. I got a whole lot to clean, a lot of water to clean up, and some more food bins to do. We'll see you in a little bit.